Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a chemical process in which carbon dioxide combines with water in the presence of sunlight to form carbohydrates and oxygen. Carbon dioxide enters into the plant through stomata, while water is absorbed by means of roots and it reaches to the leaf by means of xylem. Light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll present in the chloroplast, in palisade and spongy mesophyll of leaves. For the formation of one glucose molecule, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide combines with 12 molecules of water. Sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll. At the end of photosynthesis, 6 molecules of water and oxygen are also produced. This is the full equation of photosynthesis, which shows that during photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water are utilized, and water and oxygen along with glucose are formed. Photosynthesis occurs in 2 stages. There is light dependent stage or light reaction and light independent stage, which is known as dark reaction. So during light dependent stage, energy from sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll present in the thalakite membrane of the chloroplast. Energy is then transferred to 2 molecules, ATP and NADPH. Photolysis occurs. Photolysis means that water breaks down in the presence of light, and as a result, hydrogen and oxygen are released. So oxygen produced during light reaction is released outside in the atmosphere, while hydrogen is utilized in the dark reaction. In light independent stage, which is also known as Calvin cycle or dark stage, it uses carbon dioxide and the energy temporarily stored in ATP and NADPH to make sugar. So dark reaction doesn't need light. It actually needs ATP and NADPH, which are formed during light reaction. So it happens in the absence of light. It doesn't mean it happens at night time. It happens at any time of the day, but do not need light. That's why it's called as dark reaction or light independent stage. Glucose formed at the end of photosynthesis is utilized in many processes. Like glucose is used as a raw material for the growth, repair, and replacement of damaged parts. Glucose is also stored in plants in the form of fats and oil. They are stored in seeds. Glucose is converted into a disaccharide known as sucrose and is transported to all parts of the plant by means of phloem. So the rest of the plant, like roots, stem, and newly formed leaves, they get food in the form of sucrose, which is formed from glucose. Excess of glucose is also stored in the form of starch and is stored in underground parts of the plant like tubers, roots, seeds, and also in leaves. Glucose is used to form another carbohydrate known as cellulose, and cellulose is the main structural material in the cell wall. Glucose is also used as a substrate in respiration. It provides energy. And glucose combines with nitrates from the soil and makes amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. In order to remember how glucose is utilized in plants, we can learn through 2 mnemonics. That is, first one is SCARF and second one is OSCAR. You can remember any of them. SCARF stands for starch, cellulose, amino acids, respiration, fats, or oils. And OSCARs, on the other hand, stands for oil and fats, starch, cellulose, amino acids, respiration. By learning mnemonic, you can quickly recall uses of glucose in plants. That's all, folks. I hope you have learned a lot. Thanks.